All right, stand in a line,
And then he
please.
snipes them one by one.
Stand in a line facing me. Line facing me. All right, make sure that I. Congratulations for competing in the first Elysium Fast Draw tournament. You are competing for 50,000 Elysium tokens and the first place prize trophy. Second place winner also receives 25,000 Elysium tokens. During the events of the tournament, you can place bets on other duelists. You may not place bets on yourself. Everybody got that?
That's fair.
All right. Now, second point here, the normal rules of the duel. You must be using a side-loading single-action revolver. It doesn't matter which one, but it must be a side-loading single-action revolver, and I'm looking at all of you, and it looks like you've all got it. All right. Now, revolver must be in the holster. Hammer must be down.
There's going to be a betting limit per round. Do you know what that is off the top of your head?
And it looks like everybody's holsters are also in regulation, so I think we're good to go. Kano, you don't have a holster. Are you actually going to compete?
Yeah, I gotta go get it.
Oh, that's fantastic. I didn't know you were going to compete. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're here. All right, everyone else, that is basically it. Now, for some of you that was not made aware of it, the way that the bracketing system is going to function, it is going to be best 2 out of 3. So, if you get 2 wins, you win. If there are 2 ties, we will move to sudden death. And sudden death will be from the cowboy surrender position. For those of you that are not familiar, you will bring your hands up as though you're touching the brim of your hat, and you will draw from there.
So who's up next?
That is the cowboy surrender position. If we need any more clarification on that one when we begin, that is what we will be doing. And when it comes down to the cowboy surrender position, oh, you just got back.
When did you say sudden death happens?
Yeah.
Whenever there's a tie. Whenever there's a tie.
Oh, okay.
So if both competitors end up tying, they will switch to the cowboy surrender position, and that will be the decider for the tie. A good amount of competitors here, all of which I've seen. I've seen almost all of you compete, and you are all talented. So best of luck to all of you, and remember, good sportsmanship is absolutely a must. I expect good sportsmanship here today. We are here to have fun, we are here to demonstrate the capabilities of Resonite, and to demonstrate the capabilities of Elysium. Have fun, and good luck, duelists. Now, we're going to begin the tournament here shortly. Take your positions over in the crowd. Whenever we need you, we will call you to the field.
Sounds good.
I'm so excited I'm gonna piss my pants.
Just a second. That's about the average here right now.
I lose all my money on this bet.
I mean, I'm on an NVIDIA card.
Is there a limit on the amount of money you can place?
So it's a minimum of 5, maximum of 10,000 for VIP members like yourself. $500 maximum for non-VIP members. Also, whoever... We have a bank right there. And if you walk into the bank, you can pull out your chip tray.
Checking to see if his gun's loaded.
What did you say was VIP members? All I heard was VIP members.
You are not a VIP member, so it's 500 for you, sir. 500 max bet.
500 all I heard.
I guess we...
Okay,
How are we gonna know
I don't know how to use any of the guns here.
There you go. Alright, now when you want to empty out the cylinder, it's trigger to eject the spent cartridge.
Your ears are grabbable.
And then
This is what I'm up
I would
against.
do.
and then you'll reload.
I would do 5 sets on the first round,
I'm sorry.
3 on the
So you
second,
can reload
and
by
then
putting... So, Alex moves forward for free. Lismic moves forward for free. George moves forward for free. Renuva moves forward for free. Blitz moves forward for free. Alright, so we will begin with Neon and Kano. Neon and Kano.
I'm not up against anyone.
Oh, I didn't see that one. I didn't see that one. There you are. Thank you. Alright, so we will begin the tournament with Neon and Kano.